Hello, we are from the Mobile and Cloud Lab. Our research domains are cloud, mobile computing, and Internet of Things. We aim to solve different problems and challenges related to topics like edge computing and IoT big data processing in the cloud. We also manage Internet of Things laboratory rooms in the Delta building. The Internet of Things laboratory rooms in the Delta building consist of a smart home, demo room, and a smart office workspace. A set of smartphones, IoT devices, sensor kits, microcontrollers are available and can be used for designing and testing IoT and home automation solutions. Students and researchers from other research groups are welcome to come and design or test their prototypes and solutions in the lab. A set of sensors are set up in the smart rooms for collecting data, detecting people and their movement. Different dashboards are built using open source home automation systems and can be used to access the data collected in this room and to turn different devices on and off and see if people are moving and which places of the room they are moving in. In our everyday life, we are also surrounded by a growing number of smart devices such as smart vehicles, home appliances, and industrial equipment. These devices are often equipped with sensors, actuators, microcontrollers, and networking capabilities. The data from such devices is often collected into cloud data centers to simplify central management of such devices, as cloud providers advertise to provide unlimited computational capacity for large-scale data processing, storage, and analysis. Users can access these clouds via cloud-hosted applications that present and visualize the final results of such analysis. However, as the number of IoT objects grows very large, the amount of data generated requires more processing capacity, increasing costs, response times, and overloading the network bandwidth. A possible solution is to look toward devices and infrastructure nearer to the data sources, so that some of the data can be processed before it arrives in the cloud, such as on gateways or fog nodes. By moving tasks closer to data sources, we can potentially reduce the volume of data and also decrease the latency. The cloud then receives already pre-processed or filtered results. Applications hosted on these edge or fog devices can support very low latency use cases, while other applications can still be served from cloud, such as applications analyzing big data. This approach is called edge or fog computing, and it brings many new challenges which we are aiming to solve in the research group.
Hi, I am Moina Kodikari, works as a postdoctoral research fellow in Mobile and Cloud Lab. For me, one of the most important research aspects is to quality our service provisioning and resource placement in fog networks. For example, we can develop various kind of energy efficient and delay sensitive models in fog networks, as well as we can perform various kind of data analytics in the local fog devices.
Hello, my name is Pelle Jakovits. I am a lecturer of distributed systems. I teach courses like cloud computing and manage projects related to cloud computing and IoT. One of our most interesting challenges that we deal with in our research deals with how to move cloud services and specifically data processing closer to the source of the data and closer to the users who need to use that data, to avoid sending high bandwidth data to cloud and to also provide maybe better reliability and privacy of data.
Hello, I'm Chinmay Kwantehuri, working here as a research fellow. Mainly I focus on making the smart home more smarter with fog and cloud computing. And the research challenges are on predictive maintenance or predictive control of smart home appliances. At the same time, working on the management of fog and cloud resource environment that really handle a lot of data from the smart home.
Hello, my name is Jakob. I'm a PhD student with the group. And my PhD topic is focusing on workflow-based IoT applications across the various network layers, the fog, edge, cloud.
Hello, my name is Shivanand R. Pujara. I am working as a PhD student in Mobile and Cloud Computing Laboratory. I am working on the challenges in the data handling and data acquisition in the edge computing environment, basically termed as an edge analytics. One of the use case could be the predictive maintenance of the devices in industrial IoT, where the real-time data has to be processed near to the data source and identify the faults in the devices in real time.
Come and join us to solve challenges in cloud, mobile and IoT field. Come, create and test IoT, home automation and edge computing prototypes in our lab. Other research groups and startups are also welcome to use our lab. You can check thesis topics from our website mc.cs.ut.ee. It also includes list of devices that are available to use in the lab.